Use some in positive sentences and polite offers. Use any in questions and negative sentences. Question 1. I bought blank new apps for my iPhone 17. This is a positive sentence. The answer is some. I bought some new apps for my iPhone 17. Number 2. Do you have blank photos on your Pixel 10? That's a question. For questions, we use any. Do you have any photos on your Pixel 10? Number 3. She doesn't want blank cases for her iPhone 17. That's a negative sentence. The answer is any. She doesn't want any cases for her iPhone 17. Number 4. He has blank cool wallpapers on his Pixel 10. That's a positive sentence. The answer is some. He had some cool wallpapers on his Pixel 10. Number 5. Are there blank updates for the iPhone 17 today? This is a question. The answer is any. Are there any updates for the iPhone 17 today? Number 6. My friend gave me blank stickers for my Pixel 10. That's a positive sentence. The answer is some. My friend gave me some stickers for my Pixel 10. Now, number 7 is special. Would you like blank coffee? This is a question, but it's also a polite offer. In offers, we use some. The answer is, would you like some coffee? So let's recap. Some is for positive sentences and polite offers, and any is for questions and negative sentences. Now it's your turn. I've got 7 more questions for you. Write the answers and then check the comment section or the end of the video for the answers. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. I'm a real person, not AI, and I make these lessons just for you. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.